Namaste. Welcome you all in NIOS video. What we're going to read today? Business Studies. Lesson 9. What is the name of the topic? Banking Services, which means services provided by bank or activities performed by bank as an entity. Difficult words related to bank services. First word is street. Small way in between two houses are termed as street. City. Similar, for example, Delhi, Bombay. There are some examples of big cities. Next word is town. Previously we had read about cities which are enlarged, but town are small. City is a big place where towns are the small places which are comes under cities. The next word is signboard. You have seen many signboards in between road. Red sign, turn right, turn left, go straight, bus stand, petrol. Different information are given by the signboards placed on the road. We seen them and turn according to them. Next word is employees. Persons who have jobs. For example, such as I am doing my job here. Student and employee are different words. Dealing, which means two persons agreeing on a thing. In this chapter, dealing termed as bank and a person agreed on a term. For example, she wants loan and repay it with installments. We can deal with a person or an entity. Next word is occupied, which means full. There is no space. Next word is establishment, which means start. Similarly as next word is authorized, the person who has power. For example, a person comes and say, I want a loan, and talk to bank about the loan services. But he or she has to wait by the authorized power to approve it by checking all the documents provided by a person. After that, loan will get approved. That is termed as authorized. Next word is intermediary, which means in between. For example, There is a mother father who works and save for their future. How they save their money? In saving a bank, and give some amount for bank. Bank asked them for whom they are saving the money. They said for their child. Bank, after that, the child can get it from the bank. Here, bank work as intermediary. Next word is financial, which means related to money. Next word is expenses, which means large amount. Next word is theft, robbery, which means stolen by someone. Both the words have same meaning. Next word is assurance. When two persons talked and agreed on a same topic is called assurance. It is a synonym of surety. The next word is withdrawal. For example, we save money in bank and go to the ATM and withdraw the cash. The cash which comes out from the ATM is called withdrawing. Next word is purpose, which means reason also. For example, we have gone to bank and asked for a loan and bank asked what is the purpose for it. Next word is reasonable, in which we have to answer all the questions when someone asked us. For example, when we asked for a loan and bank asked various questions, we have to answer them so it will get approved easily. Answering of question are termed as reasonable. Next word is lending. For example, I have to buy a home. I'll go to bank and ask for money or ask for any friend to give money. That action is termed as lending. That's how I will build my home, for saving amount and returning it back to the person I have taken it from. Next word is lawful. There are strict laws. For example, if a person comes to a bank and asks for a loan, bank will ask when you will return it, and the person says after 10 years, they both get agrees, and after 10 years bank waits to you return the money. If you haven't returned, they will file a complaint against you. There are law for that. The next word is safekeeping. For example, if we kept money in our home, maybe there are chances it get stolen. So, it is not safe for keeping large amount in home. So, we kept them in a bank, or we kept them gold, jewelries or any valuable product in bank for safer side. Next word is collection. What is the meaning of collection? There are different states in India. How much they have earned total are calculated by RBI. Next is valuable, which means important. Money is a waste? No, it is a very valuable thing. We can save it in bank. Next word is businessmen, which means there are different kinds of business. For example, food business, cloth business, gold business, any kind of person who have started dealing in separate business are called businessmen. Next word is payment. For example, I have bought something from market, I have to give them money. Next word is incentive, which means there is a fixed amount of your salary, but after 1 year it get some addition, that is called incentive. The adding of amount is termed as incentive. Next word is trader. It is a synonym of seller. Person who sells thing. Next word is productive, making of raw material into finished good to various places are termed as productive. Next word is economic. Economic changes through money, ups and downs. For example, loss and profit manage the economy. Let's take a break now.
कोविड-19 यानी कोरोना वायरस देश एवं संपूर्ण विश्व में व्याप्त विषाणु जन्य समस्या। लाखों लोग इस संक्रमण की चपेट में। इसका निदान है जागरूकता के साथ हम और आप स्वयं। कोरोना वायरस के इस संक्रमण से संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष भी एक विकट स्वास्थ्य की परिस्थितियों से जूझ रहा है। भारत सरकार द्वारा गांवों से शहरों तक व्यापक जांच, उपचार और विभिन्न नैदानिक व्यवस्थाएं की गई हैं, लेकिन अभी हमें करना है इससे बचाव। बचाव है आपस में 2 गज की दूरी रखें, मास्क जरूर लगाएं, हाथों को बार-बार साबुन से धोएं और हाँ, आरोग्य सेतु ऐप पर लॉगिन अवश्य करें। घर पर रहें और NIOS की स्व अध्ययन सामग्री से पढ़ते रहें। आपके लिए PM ई-विद्या पर टीवी, रेडियो वाहिनी और मुक्त विद्या वाणी पर ऑडियो कार्यक्रमों का प्रसारण भी NIOS द्वारा किया जा रहा है। आपसे एक ही अनुरोध है, जब भी छींकें, मुंह और नाक को ढकना ना भूलें। भीड़ भाड़ में जाने से बचें और सामाजिक दूरी का पालन करें। और एक बात, जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती तब तक मास्क को ही वैक्सीन समझें। साफ रहें, स्वच्छ रहें और स्वस्थ रहें। 2 गज दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी। किसी भी आपदा की स्थिति में संपर्क करें टोल फ्री नंबर 1075 011 23978046। ईमेल करें ncov2019@gov.in।
प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
मित्रों हम उठे और जागे,
मंजिल आने की ध्वनि सुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय का है द्वार खुला सबकी खातिर।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर।
शिक्षा और परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर। दुनिया में इसके केंद्र बहुत,
कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने।
The next word is contribute, which means support. For example, in India, there are so many banks who supported in Indian economy financially to support to grow immensely. That is termed as contribute. Next word, render, which means help. For example, if we are in difficulty, we ask a friend to help us or support us in several situations. That is called render. Next word is administrative, means the person who manages, check different things, take call on different thing, or worked in administrative or the department who checked work to manage the organization. Next word is auxiliary, which means help. It is a synonym of help. Next word is aware. For example, you all know in farmers grow different kind of plants, and they will have to save their money. Bank will aware them about how you will save your money in bank and get interest on it. So this action is termed as aware. Next word is borrower, which means if I am the one who require loans, so I am the borrower, or the person who require or lends anything is termed as borrower. Next word is perform, which means do any different activities which are being performed, different actions are termed as performed. Next is vital. For example, there are so many things which we focuses on. The next word is development, which means increasing. Next word is encourage, which means to motivate someone to grow mentally, physically. Next word is import, which means things which are sending out of our country. Next word is export. Previously we have learnt about import. Similarly, export is the opposite of import, which means coming of things in our country. Next word is raising, which means increase. Next word is categories, which means group. For example, bank divided different category for different people. Old age group, bank plan, how we will give loan to the old age people, how we will give the loan to the business people. There are several kind of categories in that also. Next word is profession, which means the person who have skilled or knows everything about the particular field. It is a professional. Next word is maintain, which means managing all the things all together. For example, clothes, gold, etc. Next word is records, keeping all the important note together. Next word is revenue, which means profit. For example, we bought some gold jewelry on Diwali, on festivals. We get extra increment in our salary, that is termed as revenue. Expenditure, which means expenses. Next word is monetary, which is similar to money. Next word is circulating, which means, for example, there are several desks on bank who have different kind of responsibilities. Someone who's there to check document, someone who's there to sign all the documents, someone who will help you in filling the form. All the things which is passed from one to another person is called circulating. The action of passing one thing from one thing to other is called circulating. Next is majority, which means small number of people, not a large group. Next is registered. For example, there is a new account opening I'll go to bank and register myself and fill all the details required by bank. Next word is liability, which means responsibility. Which means all the things I am reliable to pay back. It is termed as loan also. You all know, next word is headquarter. As you all know, headquarter is the place where all the things are managed by of different offices. Headquarter checks all the thing and connect with their regional offices. Headquarters solves all the problem easily. Next word is modernization. In previous time, we have seen then if we want anything from bank, we have to go to there and solve our query. But nowadays, as modernization has come, we can easily access to banking services through internet. That is an example of modernization. Next word is assistance, which means help. Next word is subscription. For example, if you haven't followed or joined anything, you will not get notified by the different kinds of new things coming up. The next word is debenture, which means loan. For example, I want loan. It is a synonym of loan. Next word is entity. The thing which has separate entity or separate right is called entity. Next word is license. For example, for some things we need license. License is a thing which we can show as a proof that I have a right on that particular thing. Similarly, you all have seen the license of vehicles. Next word is restricted. For example, if a person goes to a bank smoking or does smoking or drinking, is it allowed in a bank? No, it is restricted in that particular area. That is an example of restricted, which means allow not. Next word is society. Different societies. Next word is apex, means the top of a management. For example, the hierarchy system in offices is an example of apex. Next word is requirement. It is the synonym of need. Next word is foreign. Person outside India whose skin color is different from us, whose eyes color is different from us, who has come from outside India, for example, who has come from USA, France, United Kingdom, that person in India is termed as foreigner. Next word is opportunity. For example, you get a job and you will lucky if next day you will get increment. That is called opportunity. Next word is competition. For example, there are different kind of banks in one particular country or one particular state. There is a competition between bank who earns more. Technology. As you seen, there is technology getting better day by day. New things are coming up. Before you have to go to the office and waited for till long in lines, but now we can easily access internet in our homes and get it done by a day. That is called technology. Next is engaged, which means busy. It is a synonym of busy. Throughout a day we will busy, will meeting one people. Next word is handloom. For example, there is a group of people who came to bank and asked people for loan. They describe them points and bank give them a loan in low interest rate. In future, they will return it to bank in low rate of interest. Next word is weaving. Next word is fishing. Collecting of fish is termed as fishing. Next word is cottage. Group of some people who want home, gold. Next word is handicraft. Craft which is made from our hands are called handicraft. Bank support the people who has done handcrafts. Next word is mobilize, from one place to another place. Now let's take a break.
कोविड-19 यानी कोरोना वायरस देश एवं संपूर्ण विश्व में व्याप्त विषाणु जन्य समस्या। लाखों लोग इस संक्रमण की चपेट में। इसका निदान है जागरूकता के साथ हम और आप स्वयं। कोरोना वायरस के इस संक्रमण से संपूर्ण भारतवर्ष भी एक विकट स्वास्थ्य की परिस्थितियों से जूझ रहा है। भारत सरकार द्वारा गांव से शहरों तक व्यापक जांच, उपचार और विभिन्न नैदानिक व्यवस्थाएं की गई हैं, लेकिन अभी हमें करना है इससे बचाव। बचाव है आपस में 2 गज की दूरी रखें, मास्क जरूर लगाएं, हाथों को बार बार साबुन से धोएं और हाँ, आरोग्य सेतु ऐप पर लॉगिन अवश्य करें। घर पर रहें और NIOS की स्व अध्ययन सामग्री से पढ़ते रहें। आपके लिए PM ई-विद्या पर टीवी, रेडियो वाहिनी और मुक्त विद्या वाणी पर ऑडियो कार्यक्रमों का प्रसारण भी NIOS द्वारा किया जा रहा है। आपसे एक ही अनुरोध है, जब भी छींकें, मुंह और नाक को ढकना ना भूलें। भीड़ भाड़ में जाने से बचें और सामाजिक दूरी का पालन करें। और एक बात, जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आती तब तक मास्क को ही वैक्सीन समझें। साफ रहें, स्वच्छ रहें और स्वस्थ रहें। 2 गज दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी। किसी भी आपदा की स्थिति में संपर्क करें टोल फ्री नंबर 1075 011 23978046। ईमेल करें ncov2019@gov.in।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े, वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो।
मित्रों हम उठे और जागे,
मंजिल आने की ध्वनि सुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने।
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने, राहों को आलोकित करने।
राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय का है द्वार खुला सबकी बातें।
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर।
शिक्षा और परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर। दुनिया में इसके केंद्र बहुत,
कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने। हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने। कोई मन चाहा केंद्र
Next word is convenient, which means easy. For example, bank form filling is not difficult, it is easy. Technology can help in it. Next word is earn. Next word is various, means different kind of. Next word is security. You have seen security guards outside any office. We can keep security by CCTV image, so we can easily find the theft or the robber. Next word is repaid, which means pay again. Next word is sanction. For example, you all have seen the messages come from bank. There is written account holder number this have sanctioned this amount, which means give. Next word is cash credit. For example, there is a person who want more amount as they have kept in bank. Now bank will observe the amount is less. Bank will support to use them, and when you will repay it, bank firstly cuts its amount. Next word is conditions. It is the synonym of reasons. Next word is overdraft. It is similar to cash credit. For example, you want 1500 rupees, but it is not in your account. You ask bank to give 1500, and when you will give it back 2000, bank firstly cut the given amount, that is 1500, and 500 will save automatically in your account. Next word is custody, which means care, careful. You have to be careful about few things like documents, jewelry, and etc. Next word is locker. You have seen there are different kind of lockers provided by bank to keep your valuable item in it. Next word is initially, which means start. It is a synonym of start. Next word is formulated, which means it is have a organized manner or form. Next word is superintendent, person who manages, who control over the things, who will has power of different authorities. Next word is represent, which means show. It is a synonym of show. You can see passbook represents our account. Next word is stolen, which means robbery. Next word is accumulate, which means collect. Previously we have discussion about the collection word. Accumulate is the synonym of collection. Next word is account holder. The person who holds account in a bank is termed as account holder in bank's language. There are so many persons who has opened account in a bank. Bank termed them as account holder. Account holder is the person who holds account. Next word is excess, which means enough. Next word is specific, which means focused. Focused in one particular thing or one particular work in a day. Don't mess it around. Don't focus on different kinds of things. Focus on one thing, one by one. Focus on different things. Next word is agreement. When two persons get settled on one particular thing, that is termed as agreement. Next word is maturity. For example, in duration of 1 year, persons save some amount every month. After 1 year, on the date of maturity, it will get the amount back. It can be for 1 year or 10 years. For example, if a person saves 15,000 every month for 5 years, on the date of maturity, all the collected amount will be funded by the bank to the person. I hope you all connected with the word I have described. There are different kinds of word. I hope you have interest in this video. Thank you so much.